Monday. Calm's Gantt view visualizes project timelines, tasks, and dependencies in a bar chart format, perfect for tracking progress. It's a view added to any board, no separate creation needed. Requires a timeline column for dates. Steps: create or open a board, log into monday.com, click plus new, board, or use a template like Project Tracker. Add tasks as items, rows, with columns for name, assignee, status. Add a timeline column, click plus, top right of board, search timeline, add. For each item, click the timeline cell, drag to set start or end dates. For example, task 1, Novi 1-5, 2025. Add the Gantt view, top toolbar, plus, add view, right end, select Gantt. It auto-generates using your timeline data. Items appear as bars on a horizontal timeline. Customize dependencies. Add a dependencies column. Link tasks. For example, task 2 depends on task 1. Arrows show connections in Gantt. Baseline, 3-dot menu, create baseline, gray snapshots track versus actual, green on track, red delayed. Filters, zoom, filter items, zoom timeline, week, month, year, expand groups, Ctrl+G. Export, 3-dot menu, export to Excel, up to 3 to 6 years per 640 items.